Hey, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We have for you today a tech review. We have here the Moka X Music wireless Bluetooth earphones. Moka is a UK-based brand, and I've got this. I copped this from someone online, and let's see what it has to offer. All right, so it comes in a cover of a bluish cardboard type of box material. Silver colored font right there. You have the logo of the company right here. The product model, what it looks like, what it's supposed to look like. You have here specifications. Comes in 3 different languages. And that's it for the outer box. And then coming out of the outer box, we have another box right here. It comes in a beautiful black textured box. It doesn't feel cheap, you know. It's not plastic or anything. It's actually made from a bit fabricy type of texture we have here. So opening it up, we're met with the instructions, the manual, the box, another box containing a pouch also that contains the charger for the charger of the wireless earphones. And yep, that, and then there you go, covers for the actual unit itself. Okay, we have here, okay, and then we have the actual model right here. It comes right here. It's not very big, you know. It's very handy. And also you have here the charger for these things. Okay, so let's first discuss the charger. Let's charge this thing. Actually, wait, I think I got the other way around. There you go. Anyway, okay. Comes in a black, sleek, black matte finish right here. It's a matte black charging cover made out of tough plastic. You know. Then open it up. We have the charging. Well, I've charged the earpieces right there, but removing it, easy peasy. Right here, we put it there. Okay, and then you have here the port if you ever need to charge this thing and to connect it somewhere. Alright, so let's discuss the earpiece. Alright, let's zoom in on that. Okay, we have here on the inner half another matte black finish, and you have here where the sound comes in, and this is where this connects to the port pieces found here. It magnetizes, it connects right there really nicely. All right, and then for the outer covering, we have here it's a bit shiny, I guess. It's a bit shiny, blue, red, purple mixture of colors, giving off this cosmic street vibe, if that makes any sense. And then we're met here with the button, and the button has the company logo in it. So let's go ahead and check this how it performs. So according to experts, the best song to use whenever you test, well, actually not experts, if you count 9fact as an expert, anyway, but it's a good song. They say that one of the best songs to test to use when testing earphones, because it contains a lot of dynamic of bass, treble, the highs and the lows, the mids, and all that good stuff. It's the song by Freddie Mercury, Bohemian Rhapsody. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. Alright, and just try to listen to the song. Okay, it's connected now. Also, It's very comfortable, as you can see. It's very I don't know if you can use it, lightweight to the ears. It doesn't hurt or really force itself in your ear at all, and that's a good thing. And yeah, let's check this one out. All right, done testing it, listening to it. Great experience. It covers the all the places well. The bass, it's strong enough. The bass is good enough. It's good, but it doesn't cover and dominate the whole thing. And I think that's a beautiful thing right there, because many earphones advertise strong bass quality, and yeah, they're true that it's strong bass, but the bass soon overpowers the treble and all the other music stuff going on in there, so it doesn't really contribute to a great listen experience. It just gets annoying and irritating. But this one, it delivers great bass lines and covers and delivers great bass lines without overpowering the treble. And also I can easily hear the high notes of the song, like the really high notes of Freddie Mercury and his vocals as I was using this to listen to the song. And what else can I say? Yep, it also delivers a great surround sound experience. Like, it's very smooth, it's not very choppy as some other earphones and headphones give you when it comes to the surround sound experience. And also the dynamic, how quickly it can change its coverage of bass to treble, and then even from the very high notes and range to the lowest to a low, very low range. The way it shifts from like that, it shifts and glides in very smooth. They did a good job. This comes also, it's Bluetooth technology, is Bluetooth 5.0, so you guys won't be disappointed with the performance of this one as per connectivity. And okay. Let's see what more. And I will also try to listen to other genres of music on this one. It delivers also great, listen to piano, classical songs as well on this thing, and it delivered great. It was great, it was such an, I think the perfect word to describe what this gives me as a user is the experience. It somehow manages to have an amazing it's manufactured greatly. It's an amazing product that delivers quality performance, and just great quality when it comes to and it gives also, there you go, a amazing audio experience that I have been looking for. And I say this with truth that for many years now, I'm a picky guy when it comes to my earphones. I just don't buy any cheap earphones that I find. No, I try to find earphones that deliver a great balance between the treble and the bass, because those things are very important, and also deliver a great dynamic range, and this one does it for me, you know. And also the great thing about it is that it's according to the manufacturer, it's waterproof, that you can wear this in your ear and can sweat, can rain, it's still good. Okay, but even though it's waterproof, don't go swimming in these guys. It's just common sense. So final thoughts. Okay, packaging great, the performance really great, and the structural form, it's true wireless, you know, no wires at all like some Bluetooth earphones have. So I think that's a great added feature. Also lightweight, it's comfortable to your ear, doesn't hurt or disturb or forces itself inside your ear like some earphones and headphones do. So that's a great plus and bonus for me. And also I got it from eBay. I think I got it from eBay for like 85 to 100 bucks. So you're getting great deal out of this, guys. You're getting quality performance, quality, yeah, just great sound quality, and a great build, you know, for such a great price. And also I forgot to mention that listening time is 6 to 8 hours, and then charging time, it's a few minutes only, like 10 to 15 minutes, and you're fully charged, you're good to go. So yeah, that's it. So this is my review and my overall verdict. I would rate this maybe a 9.